Hi, and welcome to this webinar on the WATS mobile app. My name is Knut Bjarne Askim. I'm an inside sales manager for WATS, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to use the WATS mobile app to get access to your test data on vacation. You can download the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The first time running the app, you have to enter your company's WATS server address. For customers with an on-premise WATS installation, it is important that you have access to your WATS server, and you will need to enter the complete address including HTTP or HTTPS. Your credentials are the same as for the WATS web application. After a successful login, you are taken directly to the home dashboard. And before we take a look at the modules, let's have a look at the dashboard settings. You enter the settings by pressing the icon on the top right-hand corner. In the Settings menu, you can activate or deactivate modules in the home dashboard. You may also set a minimum number of reports required for the worst yield lists. By default, the lists displaying product groups are deactivated, so I'm going to go ahead and activate these now. Back on the home dashboard, you have a filter bar on top of the screen. You can select the time filter for 1, 7, or 30 days. You can also select a product group or a virtual level for your organization. In the volume versus yield chart, you get the display of the first, second, and third pass yield and volume for the products based on the filters above. By pressing and moving your finger on the chart, you will get the values for the given day displayed. Underneath the chart, you will have the high volume list, displaying the top 50 part numbers tested, sorted by volume. And following that list, you find the worst yield list, displaying the top 50 part numbers tested, sorted by the lowest first pass yield. If you scroll to the bottom of the dashboard, you will find the same two lists for your product groups. In the reporting section, you will find 4 subsections. Let's begin with test reports. In the reporting section, you find 4 subsections. Let's have a look at the test reports first. In reporting, you have 4 subsections. Let's have a look at the test reports first. By pressing on test reports, I will get the filter that you know from the WATS web application. By running an open filter, I will get the 100 last submitted reports to WATS. So that's what I'm going to do now. For each report, you will see a serial number, part number, a process, the product name, the UTC date and time, and the status. And if I press any one of these, I will access the full report. Now, this is the view that you know from WATS. If I go back to repair reports, I will access the same filter, and by running the open filter, I will get the last 100 repair reports submitted to WATS. Here I will have the serial number, part number, process, the product name, and the UTC date and time. And again, by pressing one of these reports, I will open it and display the same view as in the WATS web application. The yield report is a filtered version of the high volume report on the home dashboard. I'm going to do an open filter on this one as well. And by pressing a part number on this filter, I will get direct access to the top 10 failures. If I want to dive even further down, I can press one of the failures and go directly to the step trend analysis. And in this view, I can choose if I want to display the limits and the fail measurements. In the serial number history, you're not able to run an open filter. So for this test, I'm going to insert a serial number I know is existing. I could have used my phone's camera to take a picture of a barcode, that way working as a scanner. And now I get all the test and repair reports for this unit. And if it's tested as a subunit, I will get the reports for the main unit as well. If I press the More button in the bottom of the screen, I will have access to alarms and notifications. And there are a couple of different alarms. I have the first pass yield drop. If I press it, I can investigate further what's going on. And if I go back, I have a unit passed and failed. I get all the information on the unit, and I can view the serial number history for this unit. I can even view the report. So that's a quick introduction to the WATS mobile app. I just want to say thank you for watching, and from the WATS team, we wish you all a great summer.